Our position is still the same. The Attorney General must bring these regulations to this House.
You have treated Parliament without seriousness, let me put it that way. We want people to treat Parliament very seriously.
We cannot afford to allow one Attorney General to refuse to bring the
That now the voice them of the leader of the main opposition APC party in Parliament, Honorable Cherno Ramadan Majuba, the leader of government business, Honorable Matthew Sanyuma, and the Deputy Speaker of Parliament, Honorable Sengepo Solomon Thomas. And them all three, they add voice to one green issue. We don't look turn the Saloon Parliament upside down for sake of the regulation or law them for guide the state of emergency where President Julius Maada Bio been announced for sake of the corona sick na the country. As he really voice them of the three big alleged them na the Saloon Parliament, you go no clear one say push down camp and shop because the Attorney General and the Minister of Justice, Dr. Priscilla Schwartz, still not show up yet na the Saloon Parliament. Forgive MP them, they law them, we for guide the state of emergency where they on now na the country. This don't be the case, although MP them, they don't make one gentleman agreement with the office of the Attorney General, say Parliament go get the regulation them after 3 weeks. We MP them, they don't agree for the state of emergency. But not 3 months the near so now, nothing like regulation, no meet MP them yet, as them they don't agree. We make concern them don't they come out from different political party them na Parliament. Listen to waiting the leader of the main opposition APC party na Parliament, Honorable Cherno Ramadan Majuba, get for say about this.
Our position is still the same. The Attorney General must bring these regulations to this House for us to give them validity so that at the end of the day, we will be seized of the authority of renewing those very regulations. Otherwise, Mr. Speaker, I am afraid maybe by the time she comes, it will be a fait accompli. And all of us committed ourselves as a Parliament with one voice to support His Excellency in fighting the COVID, and that we have kept up to date. We don't want somebody from the executive or people from the executive to obstruct or forestall the commitment we have made.
Honorable Ba carry on for say all the law them where the government don't they make for get strength to the state of emergency go only get strength with Parliament agree for them where it clear say that not happen yet.
We are representing people and laws, Mr. Speaker, as you know, you are well read. Laws must be certain. It is right law. Laws must be certain. And laws cannot be certain if they are not approved. They are only certain after approval. Even precedents in the court, if they are not sanctioned, if the High Court says one thing, the Court of Appeal can change. They are only certain when it stops at the Supreme Court. And for lawmaking, it is only certain when Parliament gives it its endorsement.
The leader of government business at the Saloon Parliament, Honorable Matthew Sanyuma, served to the line of the opposition for call on the Attorney General and the Minister of Justice for go with the regulation them na Parliament as them don't agree before now.
I strongly want to support Honorable the opposition side. This whole business of state of emergency, they really started it. We have it in the hands that they were asking us, we on this other side, for the government to come up with state of emergency, thinking about the seriousness of the COVID-19. The media contributions raise issues, and we agree to have the regulations here. But we know it's 3 months, but we're encouraging whosoever in charge, the AG, to bring the regulations before the expiration of the 90 days.
The leader of government business, Honorable Numa, add say, it not go easy for make Parliament consider for get strength to any regulation after the first 3 months of the state of emergency if the office of the Attorney General fail for go with the first set of regulation them na Parliament.
We also make our presentation to the Attorney General's office that we're interested to have regulations before we come back. I've come back, we want to see that regulation in front of us and we want to debate them, we want to discuss them. Yeah, because if we resume shortly before that or after that, there is going to be a expiration of a regulation of the 90 days, and that's the time maybe you should be looking to bring the regulations for us. That will be unacceptable, Mr. Speaker, because you have treated Parliament without seriousness. Let me put it that way. We want people to treat Parliament very seriously, Mr. Speaker.
The Deputy Speaker of Parliament, Honorable Sengepo Solomon Thomas, self been feel strongly about this issue as he make am clear say all Attorney General them before now don't they take regulation them at Parliament where the country can dey under state of emergency. So he say the Attorney General now self for do the same thing.
Mr. Speaker, honorable members, I want to take this opportunity to totally adopt the submissions of both the leader of opposition and the leader of government business. Mr. Speaker, the law is the law. It is either wholly kept or wholly sacrificed. All attorney generals before this time will be bringing regulations to this parliament. We cannot afford to allow one attorney general to refuse to bring the regulation. We cannot sacrifice the law at this point. We are serious about it as a parliament, and we are going to pursue that.
That na the Deputy Speaker of Parliament, Honorable Sengepo Solomon Thomas, but the Chief Executive for Campaign for Human Rights Development International, Abdul M. Fatoma, say the placate where the Attorney General they play with Parliament now don't show say the executive arm of government not they respect Parliament, and Parliament self don't they encourage this fitiai.
It's a blatant disrespect, from the executive to the legislative house. When our parliament, but then, you see that parliament wholeheartedly welcome such public humiliation. The reason why parliament, welcome and accept that, parliament get a power for summon any minister, any MDAs at any time. So if somebody defy, parliamentary order, parliament gets disciplinary measures then when they can put in place, for such.
Now that Parliament don't begin shake tail on this issue we get for do with the regulation them, where the Attorney General and Minister of Justice still they drag foot for go with na Parliament. Observer them, they wait sarful for seeing what will happen next as Parliament get for sit down back before June 26, when are the first 3 months for make the 1-year state of emergency where the country they inside now without regulation, and the Attorney General and Minister of Justice no pull no statements yet this bientem for sake of this issue. For Salon Parliament Eye on Gla TV Online, me na Abdullah Gla the report.